Hey, quick update here on a feature we just pushed now for Tribe. So for all your platforms, this has been updated. And I wanted to show you in the groups, we now have a way when you click into a particular group. So if I'm just going to search here for Pioneers, we actually get a page now that lets you do a little bit more here. So we're still improving the UI, and but the features here are all new. So if you click over to features, previously you had a section called pages. And now what this is if I go to the same group, I have community, courses, replays, events, members, AI, etc. here. And now I can actually move these things around. This is something everybody has been asking for over a year. The ability to rearrange the order of these tabs. And so once you update to the latest version, we just released it, it's 5.3.0. You'll now be able to reorder these and remove them much more easily. So let me show you how this works. You're actually going to click here on Add Feature, and we have created like an app store almost of integrations. And so you can find core features. These are the ones you're kind of used to. You can find events and calendars. There's chat bots you can add. There's even like a group chat option as well now. So you can see now we currently have 12 of these, but we shortly are going to have hundreds of options to add here. So this has now set us up to essentially create an integrations tool to then take over a tab here. And I'm going to show you an example of what this could look like. So let's say I want to move the events calendar further up. I can drag this and drop it here and hit save. And now it should go community replay events. And I can come over to the group here. We can hit refresh. So now we have community replay events. And so you can actually customize these however you want. And if I go into this group, there's also options for each. So if I jump into the events calendar, you get a little pop-up, and you can actually custom label that now, like, what's next. So you can actually label these, whereas before it just said, events, and there was very little control over that. If I come in here, we refresh this, we should get a new section here. So if we just save that again, and we'll refresh. So now it says what's next. So we still have our calendar set up here. This is using add event, but that is just one example of kind of how powerful this is going to be. So because we can essentially create a Google Calendar integration, we can create a HubSpot integration, a Keep, whatever tool you can think of, we can make a page for that. And we also have some examples where we're starting to make totally custom tabs as well. So if you want to put something in your group that is totally different than anything else out there, we have the ability to do that as well. So we have a customer here where we've created an entirely custom page. So we have our community here, but they wanted a whole home experience where there was a daily truth, they had next mentoring calls, they had different categories that you could click into and see different content. And this allowed us to do a totally custom tab here for them. And so we could create that as its own tab, and then we can put it into the group. So they just enable it into their group. So let us know if you have ideas for things, because we can very easily create as many types of pages as you want now using this new features tool. So check it out. Let us know what you think. We're pretty excited about this, and a lot more is to come as we build out even more of these features for you to use.